Hello everyone, today I'm going to be going over how to format tags. So by formatting I don't mean changing colors and stuff like that. That should be done with CSS, and we're not going to be doing any tutorials on how to do that with HTML. But what I am going to be showing you is how to do italicizing, bolding, underlining, superscript, and subscript with formatting tags within HTML. So this sentence is just going to be for comparison, and then this is going to be the one that we manipulate. So first, let's just bold the word this. So bold /B, Control S, and then we'll refresh Internet Explorer. This way we can make sure that it'll work in all browsers. And we see this and this look different. We have this one that's bigger and bolder, and this one is just normal and wimpy. So people will pay more attention to a word that you emphasize with this, but don't make it so that they have to read an entire article that's bolded. And this is also a reason that you don't use the heading tags to bold words. You use the bolding tag, not the heading tag. Heading tag bad, bold tag good. Just making sure you guys know that. And then if you want to italicize the word this, you just replace it with an I and refresh Internet Explorer, and you get this. And it's slanted, it's skinnier, changes the font form of it, and then we just have the normal this up there. Now if you guys want to see like a bigger comparison, we can actually do this to the entire sentence, including the period. Ooh, fancy. And we just end the italicizing thing there, refresh, and the entire sentence is now italicized. Now, one thing I want to show you guys is that if you don't have this ending tag right there, everything will be italicized afterwards. It doesn't just end it. So it doesn't end it unless that's there. So if we, for example, put the italicizing here in the first sentence, everything's bolded, but we only want that. And even though they're not in the same paragraph tags, it'll still italicize them. So that's something that you guys should keep in mind, that you always need to make sure that you close your tags correctly. Another nice one is underline. It's probably used pretty commonly, kind of like bold and italicized, but maybe a little bit less. So if we refresh, we get a little underline under there, and it's just used with a U in the tags, just like italicized is an I and bold is a B. And then the more fun tags like subscript and superscript are actually really easy. They're just a sup and sub, but we'll show you sup first. So we'll make that the ending tag. No. And then we'll make this one the opening tag. So sup and then /sup. And if we refresh, we get this. It's a little bit smaller, it's above the line of text, and then we got is a paragraph and all that. The most common use most useful use for this, and I guess not common, would probably be to take a number, like put 3 in there, and then put like a 4 over here, and save and refresh, and then you'd have 4 to the third power, the power of 3, I mean. And so it's pretty much not that useful for words, but other than that, it's, I guess, good for math. And then also there's subscript, which puts it below the line of text and makes it smaller. So if we refresh, we have this is a paragraph. Now this one again is probably most useful for something that has to do with math, but you guys could probably find another use for it. I'm probably just not being as creative as you guys are. And also keep in mind there's a lot more tags than what I've shown you. There's like strike and stuff. I think it's like that. It might not even be that. We'll actually test that out. I haven't used strike in a long time, so could be different. Nope. Okay, yeah. So that's how you do strike. Puts a line through it. That's kind of something I guess you could use if you had like a news feed on your website saying like, oh, this happened today and this is what I'm going to do, and then, oh well, never mind, I don't have to do that, so you just strike through it instead of deleting it. And that would show people that, yeah, it was there, but changed my mind, don't need to do it, so you crossed it out. And there's tons more that you could probably find on formatting for HTML. There's just a lot of them. There's a lot of HTML tags in general, but there's a lot of formatting tags, so there's a lot of stuff you can do. If you didn't see it here, just do a Google search for it. Do like formatting tag to italicize or bold or whatever you actually want to find, and I'm sure you'll find it. So thank you guys for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And in the next video, I'll be showing you guys the A tag or attribute tag, which will allow you to do a lot more cool stuff. So thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you later.